Okay. All right. Just rip that off. And then you gotta flip it over. And then rip that off. Oh, lovely. Gosh. Okay. Oh man. Whoa. Okay, you got the little grooves there. Ta-da. It's got that apple smell. Like, it's like that new car smell, but it's like that new Apple product smell. This is a pretty high quality. They told me in the demo that you always want to pick it up by this, by the bottom, and the top four is here. Look, during the demo, wow, there it is. Look at all the cameras there. I don't know. Does that come on the camera? Yeah, you can see. So, let's see what else is under here. Ta-da! Apple Vision Pro. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Oh, this is a book. Vision Pro battery, polishing cloth, charger, loop band. I tried this loop band, this one, the one that it comes with in the store. I didn't like it. It was very uncomfortable. I don't have the eye inserts because my prescription is so custom that they said they don't make it for it. So we'll go through all this process. Yeah, this band, I think it should be more comfortable. So we'll see. How Apple of them to go with the aesthetic choice. Away. This is the dual band. How is this packaged? Oh, nice. I'm actually going to replace it with the dual band because I just think it will be more comfortable. So, let's see. Hold on. That orange strap comes right off. That orange strap comes right off. And then this probably goes this way. No, probably does not go that way. Probably goes that way. Boom. Boom, click. Nice. I'm more excited to try on this configuration. So that's the dual band thing. Designed in California, polishing cloth. Okay, very nice polishing cloth. Because I already got fingerprints on it. Look at that. How Apple is that? Light seal cushion. Interesting. So I guess, is there one already on here? Oh, then what's the difference? I guess this is like a thicker, bigger one. Okay, so that's the bigger one of the two. And here's the battery. This is quite heavy too. Huh. All right. So you always need to have pants on when you use this. So you can put this in your pocket. And voila. All right. Does the battery have any juice? I think so, because the light is green. That has been the unboxing video. I'm going to make a impressions and vlog video about trying out the new Apple Pro, or trying out the new Apple Vision Pro.